Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a program that opens up my documents. So first of all, what I'm going to do is make this a little bit bigger like that. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to create a function. I'm going to call this function open docs. Okay, I'm going to create a variable here called doc path. In fact, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit there because it's not very pleasing on the eye. So doc path, I'm going to assign it to os dot path. Okay, worth mentioning before you do this, you need to import the os module here. Okay. And then dot join, then in brackets os dot environ, then here we're going to use the Microsoft user profile. And then, whoops, that's wrong, just outside of there. And then we're going to specify documents. Because this is the one we want to open. We want to open the documents folder. Then to do that, we use os.startfile. Simply type in the document path there, doc path variable, we did above, and then I might import time in here, so I'm going to import the time module. So that's the time module there. So when we run this code, it should open documents. And then what I'm going to do is time.sleep and put 3 in there, which is 3 seconds. So it's going to pause for 3 seconds. It's going to open it for 3 seconds, and then after that, I'm going to create another function here called close docs. Now I'm going to create the function here called close docs, and this is going to close it for us. So it's going to give a 3-second pause, and then hopefully it will close it. Right, I'm going to do the print command here, and so the user can see. I'm just going to print out a message to the user, so closing window. So the user will know what's going on. 1, 2. I'm going to give that another pause, time.sleep. This time I'm only going to pause it for 1 second, so we can see what's going on. Right, we're going to have to use the OS module, os.system. I'm going to issue some commands to close this. And in Windows, it's simple. Task kill, the F flag here, then IM Explorer .exe. Okay, so that's task kill, the F flag, IM Explorer.exe. And the last one here, os.system. Put start. Explorer.exe. So this will restart the taskbar afterwards, because it will close the taskbar down and this will restart it once we close the window. Okay, that's looking good so far. I don't think I've made any typos. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the open docs. Let's just save this here. Let's just run it. Okay, there you go. We should have a pause. And then it's closed it down. Success process. Yep, and then it's restarted the taskbar there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.